Hello, I'm Deborah Farkas. Welcome to Stretch for Health. Today I'm going to be doing a Periformis stretch. This is a stretch of a muscle that's in our glute. It goes from our tailbone to the top of our leg. It's the classic sciatic nerve muscle, and it causes a lot of problems for people with low back. Out of all of the stretches, this is one of the most important stretches that you can do to help with your hips or your low back. If you're driving in the car and you get out and you have to walk out those first few steps, it's often Periformis that is the problem. This stretch is one of the most demanding stretches because there are a lot of things you have to do to get the most out of it. So I'll talk you through it as we get started. Let's go. Okay, let's get started. We're going to put the rope around the bottom of our foot and around the outside of our leg. Our non-exercising leg is going to be straight. We're going to lift our exercising leg as high as we can comfortably get it. If you can only get it up this far, that's fine. As high as you can just comfortably get it. Leg bent at about 15 degrees. Both toes, your resting foot and your exercising foot, gently turned in. And we're going to bring our leg over to the side. We're going to repeat this stretch 6 times before we change sides, exhaling as we do it, holding for 2 seconds or less. We're going to try to keep our pelvis on the floor. If I wanted to touch the ground, I could do that, but that's not the goal. The goal is as if you're trying to loosen up all these outside muscles on your bottom. Let's do one more and switch sides. You might be able to see a little better when I do this side. Again, toes pointed in. In fact, my resting leg, if I can bring it a little over the midline, I'll even get a better stretch. And here we go. So I'm trying to keep my hips pretty much on the ground, not completely. You're going to feel that stretch right in the middle of your butt cheek. Let's do one last one. It's a great stretch.